Hi, my name is Cindy. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I make lifestyle type videos, hair, makeup, nails, exercise, just anything that's in my life that I think someone might enjoy, I will record. So if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe. Today we're going to do a makeup look with this Longing palette. This is a different one. I've done several looks with this, but this is completely different. They're all different. And so if that's the kind of thing you like, then please keep watching. So we're going to use these neutrals over here on the second half of the palette, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So keep watching. Hi guys, Cindy here. So today we're going to do a cool neutral look. We're going to stay on this half of the palette. We'll just jump all over the place and let's see what we can come up with, okay? So let's get going. I'm going to start off with this kind of a green shade up here in the transition area. Just kind of might be a little bit on the dark side, darker than I was expecting. I forgot how dark it was. This side looks not quite as dark, so we're going to darken that up a little bit. Now I'm going to wipe off my brush, and I'm going to take this kind of lavender, grayish lavender color and put underneath that. And these brushes I got from Walmart. I did buy me some more brushes, but I hadn't opened them up yet because I just thought, well, there's nothing wrong with these. I'm going to wipe that off. In the corner, I'm going to use this darker lavendery purpley color. Kind of looks almost black, but it's not. It's a lavender. It's kind of dark. Let me get my other mirror. There's a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. We haven't done our foundation yet. I'll tell you what color I'm not going to use. So that's that real black. Super duper black. That got all over my face last time. I'm kind of scared of that. If I do any, it'll just be a little bit after I put my foundation on. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is, I really like this color in the corner. We're going to see what happens with that. By corner, I mean underneath that darker purple. I just ran a little bit of water. Make sure everything was off my hands. And I don't use any glitter glue or primer or anything. It might look better with it, but that's just too much stuff to stick on your eyes. I got some primer in a beauty box, and then the next morning, I mean, even a piece of my eyelid came off. It was so irritated. So we're just going to stick with moisturizer and what we can get on with our hands or our fingers and a brush. And if it's not all done, that's okay. This top row looks a little bit splotchy, so we're going to try to smooth that out a little bit. Maybe put a little bit more of that top shade that we use. I'm going to wipe this off that had the shimmer in it. And a little bit more here. Then I can kind of blend it out with the other brush. Okay. Now then, let's think about what we're going to do for our lashes. I got my Zola lashes out that I got from the Lashybox. And so that's what I'm going to use. And then we will fix up the bottom. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and get our lashes on. We're going to be super careful so that we don't get foundation and makeup on them. So, okay. Okay, this is the top of the eye. You can see how you like that. So we're going to have to, darken up the corners and put maybe a little wing in. Let's go ahead and before we do any more, we're going to go ahead and put the wing on that. We're not going to use that super dark black. I'm scared too. We're just going to use this super dark purple that we put in the corner. The only way we'll use the black is if we just want to darken up even more. So I'm going to stamp that in. So try not to get too much. Even this super dark purple that's almost black, it left a little bit of fallout. But we're going to clean that up. So we've got a little bit underneath. Let's go ahead and get another little wing going on here. Of course, a lot of that's going to be covered up with adhesive that's black. Alrighty, so we got that going. Let's go ahead and put our eyelashes on. We wore these the other day and they cut, and they were super pretty. Just yesterday, I just wanted to use the other ones. I like all lashes. Not all, most lashes. Okay, so I'm just using one layer. Sometimes I could get carried away, but that's just too much scrubbing on your eyes at night. I think last time we used these, I used that plastic palette. There's a little bit left on there. Okay, that lash is a little bit long. But I'm definitely not going to cut it while it's on my eye. Let's cut a little bit more off. Whatever was in that eyeshadow had it that irritated. Or it might have not been eyeshadow, it might have been those pigments. And the day that it was really bad was the day that I had used some Pat McGrath stuff. And I had used, had been using that primer. And even the primer was kind of tacky. And it kind of got icky stuff on the palettes. And then when I was scrubbing, there was, it didn't start bleeding, but I could tell there was a little chunk of skin off. My eyes were that sensitive. I put just a little bit more on this since I got extra on the other one, but not much. Not much. Alrighty. So this is what the eyelashes look like. Now we're going to get this on here. We're going to make sure they're on good. And then we're going to put on some, we can do foundation, or I need to be using up this Tinted Moisturizer. So that's, and it's, I'm off today. Today is the 4th of July. I won't be able to put on a lot of makeup for a couple weeks after I get my CO2. I know I've been talking about that. So, there's still a little bit of black underneath there. Let me wash my hands because I gotta get some. There's some makeup on an eyelash tube. I guess we should have done this before the eyelashes. It was just never a good time to do foundation. This black is just, or this dark color is just really leaving some color. So we're gonna put something a little bit stronger under our eyes. I'm just using the regular foundation because I don't even have any concealer. I don't really need it. I don't have, typically, I don't, have breakouts or anything, and so I don't really need concealer. And if you have bags under your eyes and stuff, concealer's not going to fix that. That's what I used to when I was younger, use that under the eyes, but it's not going to do anything for it. And so we need to do, we forgot or didn't forget, but we need to do the inner corner with a light color. Even though we've got our lashes on, we're still going to do it now. We're just going to be real careful not to get any. So for the inner corner, we've used this pretty color for the lid. For the inner corner, we're going to wipe off our brush, and we're going to use this silver here. Put some more. I'm just kind of bringing it around and underneath my eyes a little bit too. Then, without putting anything extra on this brush, we're going to see if we can smooth this bottom line out a little bit more. It had plenty on it from before. And then we're going to do one more thing after we get this looking the way we like. I'm just fixing my eyelashes. So we've got the inner corner done with the silver. We've got this dark purple, almost black, underneath our eye. And we got a little bit of that greenish color over our eye. So to even this out, we're going to take another brush. Let's see if I can find one. Here's one. A little brush, and that green that we put on the top of our eyes, we're going to put a little bit under our eyes too. But I think I'm going to need a mirror for this. Just underneath that purple. Not very much. Cannot even see it. In fact, I might use the other shade of green. So this lighter shade of green, that's what I'm kind of putting under there. Just a real thin line. Yeah, I'm scared to put any more on here, so we're just whatever we had left on the brush, which I did wipe the brush off, so it's a lot of it's off. So that's what we got going here. We got our foundation on, so let's see, we got all those. Anyway, let's put some powder on and some blush on. We got our ELF powder. Alrighty, now we're going to do some blush. Pretty much any of my blushes would be just fine. We'll just use this Candy Apple that we got from Ofra. Just a little bit. I don't like a whole lot. Sometimes I get too much, especially when I wear those rollers. It's easy to get too much because you don't really see what you're doing. Because I don't want to look like a clown. There, just a little bit. Not much. Then some highlighter. Our Ofra Highlighter. And you know what we didn't do? Let's go ahead and put some highlighter on the top of our eyes. I didn't put anything up there. It's just got moisturizer. It's going to be fine. We'll use the dark highlighter. Now, we need some lip balm. How would y'all like this Mocha? It looks kind of a rusty color, but when it gets on our lips, I think it won't look that way. It'll just look dark. It'll just look like a dark neutral. Now, we're almost done. We just have to try to fluff out our hair. I did roll it as usual. I didn't wash it today. I didn't feel like it, and I'm not going anywhere. Just smooth makeup. So let's fluff this out. And this will be our finished look. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like it, please give me a like. If you didn't like it, please give me a dislike and put in the comments what you didn't like, and I will see if I can do better, okay? And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.